Trump signed an executive order on the first day of his second term that would deny citizenship to children born to people who are in the country. Illegally or temporarily, this order is at odds with an 1898 Supreme Court decision that held that the 14th Amendment's citizenship clause made all children born on U.S. soil citizens with narrow exceptions that are not in dispute in this case: the right of birthright citizenship to take effect temporarily in most parts of the country, even if it is ultimately found to violate the Constitution. The justices heard arguments in emergency challenges by the Trump administration over lower court orders that kept citizenship restrictions in place across the country. National or sweeping injunctions have emerged as an important leverage factor on Trump's efforts to remake the government, and a growing cause of frustration for the Republican president and his allies. Solicitor General Dr. John Sauer told the court at the start of more than 2 hours of arguments that the justices have issued 40 injunctions nationwide since Trump began his second term in January. The birth citizenship issue is one of several, many of them involving immigration, that the administration has asked the court to address on an emergency basis. After lower courts work to slow the president's agenda, the justices are also considering the Trump administration's requests to end parole on humanitarian grounds for more than 500,000 people from Cuba, Haiti, Nicaragua, and Venezuela, and to withdraw other temporary legal protections from 350,000 other Venezuelans. The administration remains locked in legal battles over its push to quickly deport those accused of gang affiliation to a prison in El Salvador under an 18th century wartime law known as the Foreign Enemies Act. States, immigrants, and human rights groups filed lawsuits almost immediately, and lower courts were quick to block enforcement of the order. While lawsuits were ongoing, the court's liberal justices appeared to strongly uphold lower court rulings that found that changes Trump wants to make to citizenship would shake the stable understanding of birthright. Citizenship that has existed for more than 125 years. The Supreme Court is considering allowing Trump to impose restrictions on birthright citizenship